Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
The episode didn't begin and I already have a tissue just right there, already used. I'm sick, as you can hear with my beautiful voice. Not right there, but really my nose is taken. You know, like by something else than me, and I can't breathe by my nose. So that's why also I'm searching for my air. Sometimes I'm gonna talk, and because of the fact that I'm gonna talk, I can't breathe. So at the end of the sentence, I'm like, I didn't say that. Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch The Expanse, season 6, episode 2. Like that. Hey, I'm sick, I just told you. I'm sick because, as you can see, maybe there is a lot of sun and it's really like that on my apartment. So inside of my apartment, it's really like 25 degrees. Outside, it's 4 degrees. So each time that I'm coming out and in, you know, of my apartment, my body is really like, what do you want from me? Like, you're asking me for too much, and that's why I'm getting sick. Just before Christmas, just before the return of The Witcher, really, for those of you who are just there for my reaction videos about The Witcher, you waited for so long for the new season, and you're gonna see me, you're gonna be like, I don't know this girl, in fact, why I came back to her. The Expanse, I'm glad to be back for The Expanse, like always. You know that I love this show, you know that I made all of this journey with this show, all of the binge watching of the 3 first seasons, the 2 last ones with you guys, that I went to a Comic-Con only for The Expanse, so you know my love about The Expanse. No worries right there. I'm glad about several things, you know, because of the first episode that we had, but also because of the things that they prepared for that last season. The last episode, the first episode of this season, was really cool. Like I said, it sounded like we were back to basics, you know, we were back with the DNA of the show, with the Rossi crew being reunited after the last season, with all of them being separated. It was so great to have them being reunited, to have also Chris Wren being Chris Wren and preparing a new plan, to have all of them, you know, doing what they are supposed to do and where they are supposed to be. Okay, a lot of things changed, and okay, we are really into a really bad situation, like we are at war against Marco and the other Belters, and it's really bad because Marco is manipulating the Belters. And you know, before that, during the last season, I was like, he believes into his cause, he's doing bad stuff, but the ideas that he has at the beginning were right. Now I can see that for this season, it's not like that anymore. One of you said it on the comments and I thought that it was right. He's transforming himself into sort of an administrator more than a fighter. Like, he's not considering people anymore. People are number for him now. And he's just considering what is good for what he wants to do and not for what people needs. You know, that's really a change, and he's saying stuff, he's having motivating speeches like that just because he needs to say them, not because he believes into it anymore. He's not into it like that anymore. It's really different. I felt it. Philip felt it. Philip is really into a period of time like he doesn't want to follow his dad anymore. He doesn't believe into the cause anymore, I think. He has also regrets about what he did before. At least he's feeling ashamed of it. That's what I felt. Maybe I'm in denial, but for me he didn't kill his friend. You told me that I was in denial and that in fact he killed him. No, you know my rule. Body cold, eyes closed, and if I don't see that, the person is not dead. So for me, maybe Johan is not dead. We'll see about that. It doesn't change the fact that Philip is really into a transition. He's really changing right there, and I have hope for the kid. Even if, you know, just right there he killed his friend, I have hope for him. I don't want to give up on the kid. I don't want to consider him as lost, you know, like he has nerves that he needs to learn to control. He has issues that he needs to resolve. He has a past regrets that he has to consider and to decide to not do again. He has a lot of work to do. I don't want to give up on him. He's just a kid. I know he had sex, you know, during the last episode, but still, he's just a kid. He's acting like a kid. So I was saying, I'm glad to be back with The Expanse because it felt like we are back to basics with our characters, even if they changed the situation, changed, a lot of bad things are happening. And I love also the fact that they created this bonus content for the last season. I made a video about the first one, which was about Drummer. I'm gonna put the link right there if you want to see it, and I'm explaining to you on that video how you can find this bonus content. And of course I'm gonna watch the next one, you know, the one which is going with this episode 2 right there today. Not on this video, on another video. I'm not sure. Are you gonna have it the same day? I don't know, for my schedule and all, I don't know. But I'm gonna make a video just about it. I don't know about who is that bonus content. But it's cool, you know, to have that in addition of the episode. It's 5 or 6 minutes, you know, for this bonus content. And for the first one about Drummer, I thought that it was a little story, and in fact it felt more like cutscenes, you know, like a development for our characters, or at least the explanation of where our character is standing right now with our relationships, with our love interest, with our art, with our mind. It was really more about that for Drummer, and it was not a story on itself. It was really more like a zoom, you know, on our character. I don't know if it's gonna be the case for all of the bonus content or if we're gonna have other stuff, we'll see. But yes, for that final season, I have the impression that the writers, they are treating us well, they are respecting us with good episodes, with so many things into it, with the characters, with a story, a development for each of them, but also with these bonus contents and all, like, they are treating us well. I'm feeling respected, you know, as a viewer, and it's cool to do that even more for the final season. And I said it at the end of the last intro, you know, of the first episode, and it was fun because just after filming the video I shared a photo, you know, on my Twitter about the fact that I was really too excited about that first episode, and Ty responded to me with the James S.A. Curry Twitter, and he told me hello, you know, and I told him what I said in intro, the fact that I trust these writers so much that they can do bad stuff, you know, with their characters and the stories. Maybe bad stuff are gonna happen, maybe people that I love are gonna die, but still I know that this final season is gonna please me, that I'm gonna love it, that's how much I trust them with the quality of the writing. It's insane, you know, to put your trust that much in writers, to know that you're not gonna be disappointed at all. And it's such a good feeling also when you are beginning a new episode. So cool. I'm sorry. I really have trouble to breathe. It's exhausting. I really hope that for tomorrow when I'm gonna watch The Witcher, which is out today, but you know, with The Wheel of Time and The Expanse on the same day and The Witcher, I have to make some choices. So I'm watching The Expanse and The Wheel of Time today, and I'm gonna watch The Witcher during this weekend. And I'm gonna try to edit videos during the night. That's gonna be an insane weekend for me. I need to breathe. When you're like that, you know, there is nothing that you can do. Like, I tried things, but nothing is helping. I just need to wait for it to pass. I hope that it's not too disturbing for you to have my voice like that. Okay, I'm gonna stop this intro right now. If you want, like usually, you have my Patreon on which you can have the episodes earlier during the day for The Expanse. For other shows, it's maybe 2 episodes in advance, 4 episodes in advance and stuff like that, but right there for new seasons with episodes which are just out, it's earlier during the day and with an extended or full reaction part. For the first episode I put the extended reaction part, but it was really longer. I can't remember how much, but it was really longer. If you can be interested by that, it's the best way to support me. If you can't, you can like, subscribe, comment, all of these things. It's also helping me. But really, yes, on Patreon, it's the best way, you know, if you want to support me. 2 days, 3 days that I'm like that now, it's exhausting. And I'm not simping well, you know, because of that, so... Nah! I don't like that. Careful about the spoilers, you know, about that first scene of the first episode and maybe some others that we're gonna see about it. Be careful with the spoilers. I saw that one of you began, you know, his comment with that, told me maybe a spoiler, so I didn't read it. Just beginning it, I knew that it would be a spoiler, but be careful with that, please. They are scientists, your parents?
I'm sorry, she's gone.
I only give her some of my protein bar. Little.
Everything here evolved in its own way. That's why we have to grow our own food instead of farming the things that are here.
Your food made her sick.
Paul,
We have to put them back in their nest.
can't. Soldiers call a meeting. We have to attend all this other stuff.
It's brother.
This is home.
Oh, kid.
Sorry, but you have to stay here, okay?
All by himself? He's just a little kid. You're your friend.
What is it? Go away.
Oh! You're not gonna eat?
Hey, you can't have that. That's not for you.
I love so much the no sound mood. That space. And you know also the slow movements of camera like that, like floating.
Or what?
Draper is coming, Draper.
Understood. Rocinante standing by.
That's gonna be so cool.
Fuses,
To have her back.
go to, please.
Are they?
No, they're not here with you. We'll just go to your quarters and stay there until you hear different from me, okay?
You're protecting her and you're calling her Peaches. Yes!
Permission to come aboard? Change of plans. Time to lock and load.
She has a plan. Did you kill him?
Let him out. I'm sorry, sir. I can't do that. We have laws on the station. This is a free Navy matter. Release him into my custody. Now.
If you have no rules, no real ones, I want him to be free for sure. But regarding to the thing we are supposed to be trying to build,
You're an assaulted superior officer, and you defended yourself.
not at all.
What happened?
Not at all.
I would think that the embarrassment you've become since we've arrived on Ceres would be punishment enough.
Oh.
And we're gonna capture it.
Capture?
We are. Mission to search and destroy. Not even.
Yes, I thought that it was destroyed.
That could be on board. Sorrel has lost strike teams before. The optics of losing another one aren't good politically. We're an independent ship. If we fuck up, it's on us, not her. Boarding and shooting is a whole lot riskier than sending a torpedo up their ass.
Mm.
Are you pretty low paid? It's not a big deal.
I missed your relationship.
And this type of ship wouldn't have more than a crew of 4. I'll make quick work of them. And Geneva. Both the airlock. Boom, 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 boom. Done and done.
You seem pretty sure of yourself.
For the money. Oh, this is one happy crew.
Not at all. They are related, but they are not
Just got a new mechanics apprentice. Amos.
going on the same direction.
Bobby Draper, Clarissa Mao. You gotta be fucking kidding me.
Come on!
Move about.
Thank you.
I'm harboring a convicted felon. Amos trusts her, and I trust him. And this is our ship, so that's the end.
Yes, give her a chance.
Ciao. Hey,
It's good to have you back.
you heard of any ships going missing at the ring? Missing? Oh, there was some Martian intel about a number of ships that went dark while passing through the rings. Suspicion was that they slipped off to Johnny Naros, but that couldn't be confirmed. not a normal transit. Might have something to do with the broken multi-level cell from Fred Johnson.
You're losing trace of them, of these ships, like they're going somewhere else?
Liang Walker.
Ninjama on a legendary Titan. Do we have time for a tour?
No.
Is Chicago?
Each year,
Yes, we agree.
my accounts have become more difficult to access. You will get the rest on my way.
We don't like him, we don't like the idea of leaving her with you.
For free name. You can't get her too.
Not Golden Bow. Golden Bow is Finnegan. Some more than others. Marco Inaros. He doesn't like me. A few Golden Bow did not like kissing Marco's ass and broke away from a free navy. You made the rest of us hind dick.
I would just as soon stay here.
No, Marco
Yes,
doesn't want
that's
to
safer.
stay. He's just humiliating us with shit jobs. It's not so bad.
I love this actor, but his character right there is...
Now, purifiers, generators, mostly transferred from Ganymede, that city. Supply depots. Marco spun them up all over the globe.
Again?
This might be a good time for a tour, after all.
Yes, can we do something with that?
I heard about Philip.
Young you here. Think carefully about what you say next.
Still protecting him.
I think you should drop him in a recycling tank for a few hours to see if he can swim.
It's more than just a face. Philip has completely lost his focus, no self-control.
You know it, that it's more than just an angry kid.
Sounds like his mother had a lot to do with it.
It was his fault for bringing her amongst us. Cost
You're
us
blaming him?
so much.
What do you want from him?
I want him to be better than this.
To be like
He's
you?
part of me.
He's your son.
I love him.
That word means different things to different people.
I need him to be the man he should be.
Are you planning on staying angry with him until then?
The man you want
I think
him
you've
to
got
be.
more things to worry about. Like our war.
Oh, this discussion was really interesting.
But still, hard as a coffin nail, and twice as sharp.
I almost want to hear it again.
True pirate.
Hard to stomach that answer Inaro, and it
More than
I
good
swear,
Marco.
you're gonna have
His
your
pretty
revenge.
eyes and
is good at turning people into followers. You
Yep.
don't seem to like that. Neither did I. When Golden
I'm
Bough
not sure of
split,
you.
You stayed loyal to Marco. Why?
I suppose I got caught up in the moment.
No, you saw your interest.
Glorious.
And now,
What do you want from me?
you know where his supply depots are. Are you really content with a little side work when the big fat prize sits there untouched?
You want to tempt him?
Maybe I'm planning to turn you in.
The Golden Bough ships that didn't show their bellies. You still in contact with them when they need the ones who are tired and licking the floor for scraps. The ones ready to snatch the food right off Marco's table. Look at you, pirate woman.
Like Ashford would? Cool. But I'm not sure that we can trust him.